away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's good, y'all? It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video, y'all. So today I am going to be reviewing some stuff from my business. Okay, just 2 items right now because the other stuff hasn't came in stock yet. But baby, my face is flawless. Okay, it's flawless. Now in this tutorial, I will be just reviewing my palette, just a simple look like this, and my lip gloss. If y'all loving this lip right now, definitely stay tuned to see what lip gloss I have in store. I'm not going to show the packaging because the package, I don't have my labels yet. We take our photo shoot March 22nd, and I'm so excited about that because y'all know I've been raving about this for a year now. So I'm finally starting my business, and I'm so excited for y'all to purchase. Like, it's crazy, and then you get to test it out with me. Like, so I'm gonna start doing business stuff, like as far as like shipping orders when that time comes, getting ready, how to start and doing, and then I'm gonna make a video on how to start a business. It's just a lot right now. It's just getting the names and stuff and the website development started, and writing down all this stuff. It's just a lot. So that's what I've been doing behind the scenes. So if you haven't seen me, I have been doing that. That's what I've been doing. But I don't want to rave too much. I want y'all to get into this look. I want y'all to see this palette. I just want y'all to get into it. I'll be on my phone looking up inventory and new things to try and new things to add. I want to add foundation, highlighter, blush, lip liner, the whole shebang. Okay, I just want to add it all, but I'm just trying to take it step by step. Okay, just adding the main things that I think that you all would like, especially that I would like. So if I like it, I know that y'all would like it. So I'm definitely testing out a few things, quality wise, everything. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look and some new things that I got in store for you all, then please keep on watching. Y'all, I'm super excited because today I'm going to be showing y'all my palette that I'm going to be adding to my collection, and some glosses that I'm going to be adding to my collection besides from the the lashes that I was supposed to come out with some years ago. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely lit. Y'all told me, and y'all keep telling me, girl, come out with your palette. So I'm super excited to be testing this palette on my eyes so that y'all can see it. But I will not be showing it. I'm not going to show it because I want y'all to see the finished product with my packaging and everything like that. So I can't show it. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm definitely super stoked. But yeah, that's the base. I'm going to put the other base on, and I'm coming back so we can get into this eyeshadow look. For my brows, I did go ahead and take my Anastasia my Anastasia did brow in the shade Ebony, and also the shade in a chocolate, y'all. The only color that I'm going to use is the first shade that is not in this palette. A shade that's not in this palette is out of the Juvia's Place, the chocolate palette. I wish my palette had a darker brown. It's still brown in here, but it's only one brown. However, I wish it had a darker brown because that would have been it. Okay, with this palette, my palette is mostly colorful, so you're getting a lot of colorful vibes out of this palette, more so than natural everyday looks. I mean, some looks in here that you can do definitely with everyday natural glams, but mostly colorful. I love colorful looks, so I had to give y'all a palette that was like colorful, baby, and y'all was slay it. However, I'm gonna go into this palette. It's called The Chocolates by Juvia's Place. Y'all already know. If y'all haven't already used my code, go ahead and use my code Marie. You will save some money. So definitely go check the description right below. I'm gonna go on with this first shade right here. Is this dark brown, because when I set this dark brown down and on top of that the shade out of my palette, it's gonna be so cute with it because I already swatched it. So this is my palette swatch with no base. My hands are just so red. So just imagine when you have base, how it's gonna look with that base. Period. So my 167 brush from Murphy, and I'm just going to pack this on the lid slowly. So tap, 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 tap. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, it's not black. It's dark brown. And I definitely need a color like lighter than this to go on my palette. So I'm testing palettes out. Glosses. I think my glosses are final and my liners are definitely going to be final. Because glosses, they're just glosses. And then they smell good. Okay, so now that I got that packed on, now it's time to see if my palette is gonna blend right on top of this. It's all about the blending. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this beautiful color. Okay, it picked up on the what's it call it? Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, I knew I was excited to try this. Y'all see that? So this is one of the colors in my palette, y'all. I said I was only doing 2 colors, and these are the only 2 colors that I'm going to do. Yes. I want to do, like, I was going for more of a soft look, y'all, today. So that's why I'm only doing, like, 2 colors. So, yeah, like I said, if this palette definitely had a dark brown, this would be it. And it's blending so well. I know I was like, this is right this way. Yeah. I'm so excited. You know, like, you know how sometimes you have to dig in some palettes to like get the pigment? No, just swirl your brush, tap it, tap it, tap it. Like I'm doing. Like, but that brown is pretty though. It's pretty. It's like almost like a reddish undertone in this brown, honestly. Another MAC brush, and I'm going right in that crease and blending this out. I'm just deepening that crease up. Just blending it in there. And I'm also looking for a name for my palette. So if y'all want to throw any names, y'all can. But y'all can't see the palette, so y'all probably can't get an idea of what I should name it. But it's cool. It's cool. Y'all don't need to see it. Now I'm about to add a pretty shimmer shade to the lid. It's in this color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add this to the lid, but I want to tap it out first. So right there in there too. Yes. And then I'm adding this other color for my palette. it's like a lighter color. Okay, colors, come on. I'm going in with that. I was going with that burgundy color, but I'm gonna spice this up a little bit. Okay, so I did add a little orange. Actually really pretty, y'all. Add this, and I do want to add liners, y'all. Oh, just tell me no. Just tell me to stop right now. Just tell me to add what I got right now. So soon you will see a video up on this hair. They did send me over some lashes, and I'm thinking about putting these lashes on. I want a softer lash. That's why I went for a no cut crease look, because I want a soft look. I just want a soft look. I want to see how these look, and they gave me a lot of them. Like I said, they coming up with their packaging. I could double them up if I wanted to. I could double it to make it thicker, but I'm gonna stick with the soft lash. So I'm going to switch up the foundation today. I am going to add Huda Beauty Foundation, Beauty Bakery. Highlight and disturb the peace, baby. I'm going to take my Morphe 8D palette, y'all, and I'm going to use these two colors right here. It's right. So I'm going to use this new Juvia's Face. It's in right here, the Intense Pencil Liner. And she has the shade, this is black. So I'm putting this right in the waterline. Okay, so it doesn't have a logo on it, but this is definitely oh, y'all already know I'm gonna go in with my my nude liquid lipstick. I got one, but it's a pinky shade. It's not so much like pale nude, and I love the pale nude. Y'all know I love pale nude. It's not so much that. My lip glosses are like highly pigmented, so you really probably don't even need any lipstick. So I got like a lot of lip glosses, and these glosses is the ones I like. So this is going to be my packaging, but I don't have my logo on it. Two nudes. Oh my gosh, so obsessed. Y'all are going to be in love with these. This is definitely pale as hell. Y'all know I love it. And so I'm just going to take this lip gloss from the beauty supply. I told y'all the clear gloss. Me topping this shit off like, y'all, but my lip gloss in the middle though. Everything. Blush, I'm going to go into this shade in the middle. This is my favorite palette. Like, I don't know. I'm supposed to be trying highlighters too. I'm so excited. This brush is too big. Like, too big, but it's okay. Purred. Okay, y'all, so I got that added. I'm about to go and wash my hands off, fix everything up, and I'm gonna come back, be right back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed the goodies that I had to offer for you all, or had to tell y'all. Not even offer, because I ain't even offered yet. It ain't on the market yet. Let me know what y'all think in the description below about if I should add anything else. Should I add anything else? What y'all think? Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, every social media that I'm on. It's not at the same thing. Everything will be linked in the description below, y'all. And my Instagram to my beauty page will be listed in the description below, so that y'all can go follow it and know when my business drops. Okay, Be Fierce Beauty drops, y'all. It's just lit. I am going to come back and I'm going to do a colorful look using my palette, because I am really impressed by the way that it did. Like, it's pretty. I'm super excited. I feel like it's my palette, but I don't feel like it's my palette, because I'm not personally putting the love and care into making each individual shadow. It's like, you know, private label, but nonetheless it's still my palette, and I am so happy to announce it to you all. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next tutorial.